All right, over here we got a 1914 Excelsior twin, chain drive twin. It's a Excelsior, they're made in Chicago. I guess the Excelsior Company, they started, I believe, 1876 making bicycles, and around 1905 they started the company. Indian and Harley started in 1902 and 03, and Excelsior started making them in around 1905. And by 1928, Excelsior became #3 production of motorcycles behind Harley Davidson and Indian. And they made quite a motorcycle. This is 1,000 cc. It's a 61 cubic inch. Oh, and it was good doing this one here. This is a nice original bike, mostly original. And it was by coincidence we had one on the side of it that was in production, and by coincidence this one came available. And it's nice to have one sitting on the side of it when you're restoring it, when you're doing it. When you can look at one that's finished, and makes the restoration a lot easier. But this one's coming along quite nicely here. Kind of proud of this one here. I get the guys going strong on this one. We'll put the wheel on. This going on today, and this one should be pretty much done by the end of another week or so. This one we'll put it back into the collection with the rest of them and put it up for sale. You can see over here we're going to do a bunch of other Excelsiors. We're going to a bunch of Excelsior engines we picked up at the Parham auction a while back. They're all going to be in frames within the next 6 months or so. We'll get those in production too. And I did Ole and picked up a whole bunch of Excelsior parts there as well, which I'll show you on the other end of the shop here. We found a bunch of chassis and forks and all kind of parts for them. So we're going to be probably got 6 of them in production right now of Excelsiors. Great motorcycle. We're very great bike. This is 1914 Excelsior twin chain drive. It's a 2-speed, it's got 2-speed training, and this one is just about completed. This should be done today. In fact, we just brought this up today. Here's the cover, chain cover. This is just going to go on today. We just got that all painted up and ready to go on. But this one will be done by the end of the day. I'm going to put this in the other shop into the showroom. So it came out pretty nice. Kind of proud of this, how it looks. And this one will be done soon as well. All right. Well, when I see gas tanks available, I pick them up, and then it's funny how the bikes sort of show up later. As you can see, I got 3 Excelsior gas tanks. I just picked this one up last week, and this is actually going to use that on that 18 Excelsior we're doing right now. That's a tank for an 18, as you can see. They're out there, and when you see this stuff, you gotta buy it. Whether you need it or not, you gotta pick it up when it's available, because when you're looking for it down the road, you gotta waste it, you would purchase it. I like to go on a shelf. I like when I'm doing a restoration and I just happen to have the parts on the shelf. Hold down, put it on the bike, it's done. That's what we do.